प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने आज नई दिल्ली में महान्यायवादी और सॉलिसिटर जनरल सम्मेलन का उद्घाटन किया। उन्होंने कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि न्याय के बिना किसी भी राष्ट्र की कल्पना संभव नहीं है। आज क्रिप्टो करेंसी और साइबर अपराध नई चुनौती बने हैं। हमें सुधारों के साथ मानव केंद्रित न्याय के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। वहीं कार्यक्रम में केंद्रीय मंत्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल ने कहा कि वैश्विक चुनौतियों के लिए वैश्विक समाधान की जरूरत है। सम्मेलन में एशिया प्रशांत, अफ्रीका, कैरेबियाई देशों के महान्यायवादी सॉलिसिटर जनरल भाग ले रहे हैं।
Are important. Friends, our systems already work with each other in many domains. For example, air traffic control and maritime traffic. Similarly, we need to expand cooperation to investigation and justice delivery. Cooperation can happen even while respecting each other's jurisdictions. When we work together, jurisdiction becomes a tool to deliver justice, not delay it. Friends, in recent times, the nature and scope of crime have seen radical change. Criminals have wide networks across various countries and regions. They use the latest technology for both funding and operations. Economic crimes in our region are being used to fund activities in other regions. The rise of cryptocurrency and cyber threats are posing new challenges. 21st century challenges cannot be fought with a 20th century approach. There is a need to rethink, reimagine, and reform. This includes modernizing legal systems that deliver justice. This includes making our systems more flexible and adaptable. Friends, when we speak of reforms that need to be focused on making justice system more citizen-centric, ease of justice is a pillar of justice delivery. In this space, India has many learnings to share.
Proudly welcomes all the valued dignitaries to this prestigious conference. This conference is a momentum to reflect upon the evolved role of attorneys and solicitor generals in the larger arena of good governance, architecture, and their purposeful role in the upcoming future. The timelines for institutionalizations of the post of Attorney General and Solicitor Generals may vary among the member states of the Commonwealth, but the historically perspective gives us valuable insights into the advisory role of this fraternity. Their invaluable suggestions and wisdom have helped to simplify the sophistications leading to better decision making to facilitate rule of law for the leaders at the helm of affairs. In India also, the wisdom of the founding fathers of the constitutions has designated the Attorney General as a constitutional post. He is the highest law officer and chief legal advisor in the country. Once Babasaheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, "I am firm enough to say civilization cannot exist without advocate. Law is very foundation of civilization." I would like to add that being at the intersection of the diverse legal, political, constitutional functions, the attorneys and solicitors general are responsible stakeholders